Kidukot Jong ka Meghalaya Rural Tourism Forum kilapan pau ka jeng Pyrshah ka bating Halor karai Jong ka Meghalaya Khasi Tourist Taxi Association ka bakhang gi kali Assam Tourist Taxi baniach po ka jela. U President ka MRTF uba Allen West Kharkungor ulaong ba kasinjuk kalapan long ka jeng lang bekerki ho benai bela dep banekran Halor kini kamat but lapha ru ya ka shiti shu menteri ka tanak jong kai ka bakadau ye kat tu kat ni ki mat trikam jongki. Uba Allen West ulaong baka ni ka jeng kanggi kali kalong ka bumihap setia bat ka jeng pen Kenya ka hok ha ka bede bat ka kai pateng ha padeng gijela. Ka MTRF kalapan pauru ya ka rukom jengo kai pertejo ka Sikkim omla banle kumju ha Meghalaya nakadaw ka jeng per ki jaka bat ka jeng bumyo ya lat lut ha ka lengki kapot jela.
After the demand of the AMKTTA, they have made a demand to the state government. So we have sat down for a meeting and we have come to a decision. Decision number one is that we don't agree with the opinion of AMKTTA to stop all the tourist vehicles coming from outside the state. Because we believe that in India, according to the constitution, you cannot stop anyone to either travel or in any parts of India. Number two, we are also not very sure of the demand about the Sikkim model, because to introduce or to replicate the Sikkim model in Meghalaya, we feel that more time has to be given to the state government.
Kanong ba shalong kalamat ya ka jeng